Hello everyone! Come explore our backyard as each season changes plants and animals. Spring wakes the garden, so stretch tall like a growing flower. Summer brings warm sunshine and frogs enjoy cool puddles, so pretend to splash. In autumn, squirrels gather food and leaves tumble down, so pretend to rake. In winter, the yard is covered with white snow and animals find cozy shelter, so shiver gently and pretend to be cold. Brrrr. Let's end this lesson with a fun quiz. Which season grows flowers? Which season brings very warm weather? Which season drops leaves? And which season brings snowy weather and makes animals find shelter? Good job!